What does the A say?
Ah!
What does the B say?
But-
What does the C say? What does the D say?
That.
What does the E say? What does the F say? What does the G say? What does the H say? What does the I say? What does the J say? What does the K say? What does the L say? What does the M say? Nadia. What does the N say? What does the O say? What does the P say? What does the Q say? What does the R say? What does the S say? What does the T say? What does the U say? What does the V say? Nadia, the V. What does the V say? What does the V say? V. What does the W say? What does the X say? What does the Y say? What does the Z say? High five.